and bye for now. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a payment method on Google Ads. A payment method is what you use to pay for Google Ads. The payment methods available for your account will depend on your country and currency. Use the Payment Options tool to see what's available for your account. Just note that in some cases, certain payment methods may temporarily be unavailable with Google Ads. Reviews your account's eligibility to use them. Also, if your card issuer or bank is in the European Economic Area, they may require you to go through an additional authentication process, such as a one-time code sent to your phone to verify the ownership of your card. Your card issuer or bank may require this extra verification when you make a payment, add a new credit card, debit card, or at the card issuer or bank's discretion. Google complies with the new security requirements imposed on banks and payment processors by the Payment Service Directive 2. Now, without further ado, the steps for adding a payment method vary depending on whether this is the first time you're entering your billing information into Google Ads. If you're entering billing information for the first time, after you've created a Google Ads account, here's how to enter your billing information. Sign into your Google Ads account. Click on the tool icon and then, under Billing, click Settings. Choose the country or territory of your business address and click Continue. Enter your business address and then go ahead with Continue. Make your billing selections and enter your billing information. The options you see will depend on the country of your billing address, the currency you've picked, and whether any payment methods are temporarily unavailable for your account. Review and accept the Google Ads terms and conditions, and then click Submit and Activate. If your payment setting is automatic payments, once your account is activated and your billing information has been processed, any new ads and campaigns you create can begin running on Google. If you don't want them to run immediately, be sure to pause your campaigns. If your payment settings is manual payments, your ads will run once you have funds in your account. Click the tool icon and choose Billing, then click Make a Payment to add the funds. Now, if you've already set up billing information, sign into your Google account, click on the tool icon and go to Settings. Click Payment Methods from the left menu and click Add a Payment Method. The payment methods available to you will appear. These are based on your business address, your account's currency, your payment setting, and whether a payment method are temporarily unavailable to your account. Enter your payment method information and agree to the Google Ads terms and conditions. If you want to make this primary payment method, make sure the box is checked next to Set this payment method as primary. And when you're done, just click Save. Just note that if you are adding a bank account as your payment method, you'll need to also verify your bank account. Keep in mind that this may take up to 3 to 5 business days. In some cases, more. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.